Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the diffusion of gases. Diffusion of gases. Today we discuss about diffusion of gases. So what is the diffusion? Diffusion means simply the momentum of particles from one place to other place. The momentum of the particles from one place to other place, it is called simply diffusion. Clear? So now I explain one small activity. In this activity, what are the materials required? First one is a long glass tube, and second one, the pieces of cotton, and third one, hydrochloric acid formula HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. And fourth one, ammonium solution. Ammonium solution means NH4OH. This is ammonium solution. And fifth one is 2 rubber corks. Okay. So what are the materials required in this activity? Long glass tube and the pieces of cotton, 2 pieces of cotton, HCl, hydrochloric acid this one, and ammonium solution. So what is the formula for ammonium solution? NH4OH, and 2 rubber corks. Clear? Now first take a glass tube. Okay. So in this glass tube one end, okay, take cotton, okay, with HCl, hydrochloric acid. So take one cotton piece, okay. Simply hydrochloric acid, the hydrochloric acid is taken on first piece of cotton, and ammonium solution is taken on second piece of cotton. Okay. So now both ends closed with the rubber cork. Okay. By using rubber cork, both ends are closed now. Now after a few minutes, okay, here hydrochloric acid, here ammonium hydroxide solution. So after a few minutes, from HCl, okay, gives HCl gas. Okay, hydrochloric gas. Okay, hydrochloric gas. So in the same way, after a few minutes, ammonium hydroxide gives ammonia gas. So ammonia gas formula NH3. Clear? So ammonium hydroxide gives ammonia gas. Hydrochloric acid gives hydrochloric gas. Okay. So now these two reaction. So react HCl plus ammonia. So the combined with the HCl and ammonia to give ammonium chloride salt. This is salt. Clear all of you? So after a few minutes, HCl gas is react with ammonia to give ammonium chloride. What is the name of this compound? Ammonium chloride. Clear? This is salt. Clear all of you? Here gas, HCl gas is diffuses to ammonia gas. So the momentum of the particles from one place to other place. So this is called diffusion of gases. Clear all of you? Here what is the product of ammonium chloride? Okay students, next topic, melting point and boiling point. So what is the melting point? Okay, the temperature at which the solid converts into liquid is called melting point. Clear? The temperature at which the solid convert into liquid, it is called simply melting point. For example, take water. So water gas form vapor state or water vapors, and a solid form ice. Clear? Ice is solid and water liquid form, and vapor means simply gas. For example, the water, water is in a solid form means the temperature is equal simply 0 degrees Celsius. Clear? So the temperature reaches to 4 degrees Celsius, then the ice converted into water. Clear? So the temperature at which the solid converted into water, the temperature is called simply melting point. Clear? Now what is boiling point? For example, take water. Okay, ma? So by using a temperature, then water converts into vapor. At which temperature? Simply 100 degrees Celsius. So water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, then water converts into water vapors or vapors form. Clear? So this temperature is called boiling point of water. Clear? So what is the boiling point? The temperature at which the liquid converts into vapor state or gas form is called boiling point. Next topic, so take solids or liquid or gases, there is some space or there is some gaps between the particles. Clear? So take any solid or any liquid or any gas, there is some gap between the particles. Okay? So it is explained with one small activity. So take water, one glass of water. For example, here the volume of the water. So this is the level of water or volume of the water. Clear? Now I am adding salt. I am adding 2 or 3 spoons of salt. Okay. Okay, now mix with water. Salt mix with water. Okay. Now observe. So actually this is the level of water. Okay, now I am adding salt. Okay, here the level of water increase or decrease? There is no change. Clearly there is no change. Okay, so that means now what is the volume of the salt? Here I am adding salt, but this is actually volume of the water or level of the water, but I am adding salt. Now what happened? The volume of the salt particles. So the volume of the salt particles means the salt particles are occupy the gaps of the particles between the water molecules. Clear? So that means simply there exists space between particles. So take solids or liquid or gases. So there exists some space or some gap between the particles. Clear?